Lakliba financial year asida Manipur state ki oina paikhatkadaba chawkhat thawranggi thabaksingda lupa crore lising ahumga chahum changani haina NABARD ki general manager officer in charge Partha Mandal na phongdorakli. Wafam asin National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development Manipur Regional Office na senduna Imphal Hotel da pangthokiba State Credit Seminar lisingani kunga mangagi thoram da phongdokibani. Mahangna makha taraduna NABARD na lanjena duna leiriba internally displaced person singi oinasu loan na chingba pibada priority pigani. State Credit Seminar asi chahi khudingi pangthokpa thoram amani. Masida State Focus Paper su officially launched tawi loinana Annual Credit Plan semduna lakadoriba financial year asida bank khudimakna ngakna chetkadabani. Ngasigi thoram aduda Manipur ki Chief Secretary Prasan Kumar Singh, NABARD ki DGM Bending Air, SLBC Manipur ki AGM KH Okendro Singh, RBI ki DGM Chamailo M Samuel na sarukyaki. Thoram ki sarugama oina best performing bank singda felicitate taukibaga loina na State Focus Paper listing ani kungamanga kuntaruksu release tauki.
Be it agriculture, MSME or other priority sector, we have an allocation and state level bankers committee will ultimately finalize the annual credit plan. Basically, this is for the benefit of all the beneficiaries and the people who are going to avail loan for all these sectors. This should also be given priority. Internally displaced people, we also have their programs, the programs meant for them or formulated for them. That also comes under priority sector, and these IDPs will also be benefited out of this state focus paper and ultimately the annual credit plan. Total projection for the next financial year is 3,300 crores approximately for the state as a whole.